Okay, this is page 3, unit 12, and we are doing some measurement. The kids have a handout that will help them with any type of converting. So let's go to number 1. It says the tallest man in the world was recorded at 2.72 meters, and they want to know how many kilometers tall he is. So this is metrics. We're going to go to our steps, and they give us our information in meters, so that's our unit. That's our basic measure. And we are going to go up the steps in order to get to kilometers. So we always start with the number that they gave us, and they gave us 2.72. So 2.72 meters, and we're going up the steps. Since we go up the steps, we're going to divide. And we always start with a 1. And how many steps we go, that's how many zeros we add. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 3 steps, 3 zeros. And then we get our answer. So 2.72 meters divided by, it was a 1. We went up the steps 3 times, 3 zeros. And just solve. Okay, number 2. Deanna ran 25 miles in one day preparation for the upcoming marathon. How many feet did she run? So we're going from miles to feet. So the kids should look on their paper and see if they can find any type of conversion with feet and miles. And they should look up in the top left-hand corner. It's under customary measures, and it's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So that's the rate. That's what I know, and that's what I'm going to start with. 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Now, which other one do I know? I know 25 miles. So I'm going to put my 25 miles down below, and then just cross multiply and divide. Okay. Number 3. Spike drank 2 gallons of water during the day. How many pints did he drink? Okay, I'm going to go to my gallon man, and I know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know that there are 8 pints in 1 gallon. So I'm going to take that information, and I'm going to go over here. 8 pints, 1 gallon. That's what I know. And they want me to figure out how many pints are in 2 gallons. So there we go. Okay, number 4. In 1978, the heaviest man was recorded 635,000 grams. How many kilograms did he weigh? Okay, we're going to go back to our steps. We're at grams. That's our basic unit of measure. We're going up the steps. So again, we're going to divide. And we're going all the way up to kilograms. So it is 635,000. We're going to divide because we're going up the step. We always start with the 1. We're moving up 3 times, so we add 3 zeros. So it'd be, that's a comma, 1,000. Okay? Number 5. The gym teacher measured Blaine's vertical jump at 35 inches. How many yards can Blaine jump? So let's look at our paper. Okay, so we're going to look on our paper, again under customary measures. 36 inches equal 1 yard. That's what I know. That's the rate that I know. So 36 inches, 1 yard. And how many yards would that be? Well, he only went 35 inches. So we're not going to get it. We're probably going to get a decimal or a fraction. That's okay. And we're going to explain. To set this up, you created a ratio and a proportion, and you cross multiplied and divide. We'll do more of that in class. Number 6, the longest snake in captivity is 7.3 meters long. What's the length in millimeters? Okay, again, we're going to go back to our stairs. Meters, it's my basic unit, and I need to go to millimeters. It's at the end. I'm going to use a different color. 7.3. Okay. 7.3 meters right here. We're going down the steps. So we're going to multiply. We always start with a 1. 1, 2, 3. Multiply it by 1,000. Because I went down 3 steps, 3 zeros. So 7.3 times 1,000 will give me my millimeters. The longest jump recorded on a unicycle, and that's a decameter, and they want to know how many in decimeters. Well, deca is at the top with the K, so it's right here. I'm going to change my color. Pink. And they want to go, I'm going down. 1, 2. So I'm going to multiply. Always start with a 1. I move down 2 steps, so I'm going to put 2 zeros.